Bor Kapatisi TV Kabul Kamashin kabala snacker pang kabakham scam kamstet kamklan bat baduna bam umpnia
Hadin gajing bethay bom badang shen hajanrat for Delhi ka National Investigation Agency haga kharat unai wing arachar posan klapin long gajing Khynra hakaleng gajilla Tripura bat Meghalaya bat haikwe pat gajilla kabalong kumishibenta jong gajing tokit halo gajing silat jong al Qaeda banle ki kampentrim baki Mynder Bangladeshi ki buan Rung Beaiñ sha gajilla Meghalaya Umid rang ba ka jilaw konrat ke sangma hakijing kran makilat pathai kubor hak khatlai ti unai wing arachar phosan ulapin tikna yagani gajing Khynra hak babon ki benta jong grilom Garo Hindu lakan tat ban nai ka jing tip ka babnya tamal garang de ka benta jong gajing toket jong ke NIA haga jo ka por lo ang ba ka sor ka jila kalong ka bakloy ban ai yakajing trai lang bat ka NIA ka blapin long gajing toket halo gajing singan jong ki pat ba no shoshnong ka jilla
Can you tell us the NIA is carrying out raid in South Garo?
So basically, as far as the information that we received, it's happening in multiple locations. And it's based on obviously certain areas which they are trying to find out more details and information. And therefore, it's an investigation that's going on linked to the obviously the bomb blast that took place in Delhi. So therefore, number one, it will be not correct for me to go into details of that investigation. What is the purpose of the visit? Because it is sensitive in nature and is to do with national security. So for us to talk about it in press would be incorrect. That's number one. Number two, all we want to say is that we are here to cooperate with them in every way possible, and we're cooperating to ensure that whatever support and help required will be done. So that's all we want to say. Apart from that, I think it's sensitive in nature in the sense that it's to do with national security, and we are all aware about the kind of incidents that happen. Therefore, we'll refrain from going into details. But as I said, full cooperation is being given from the state side in whatever way possible to help in this investigation.
Only the place, if we can confirm, South Garo Hills, there are reports.
I don't want to. Again, as I said, it's sensitive in nature. I would be in one way compromising with the details. It is wrong because it's to do with national security. So I don't want to go into details.
But how safe is Shillong following these?
No, that's only it's completely different. It's to do with whatever the background check and everything. So we just leave it at that. There's nothing to do with any other thing. So I don't think there's any other issue that there was some kind of something happening or something. Nothing like that. It's basically part of the investigation.
But any alert for Meghalaya as a whole?
No. As I said, it's only an investigation. It's part of the investigation. Nothing more. So let the investigation happen.
Out of 5,
like I said, it's part of the investigation. So let the investigation happen. It's to do with the Delhi blast, and therefore the investigations are on. I don't want to comment on anything beyond that because it's a matter of national security, and I will be compromising that investigation if I were to spell out any more further details about that. But that's all it is. There's nothing to worry. It's part of the investigation process.
So, with regards to the regional...
This love has no ceiling. I can't